All of gusto ko lang malaman.
Yeah.
Pero natapos na naman yung ano. Ang video, ang bilis ng video.
Diba?
Sige, pili ka muna.
All of their outfits look amazing. But if I had to choose, I'd go with Aya. Hers stood out the most to me. To me lang.
Oh yeah, okay lang.
Okay. But your thoughts na?
Di mo ko papipiliin. Ay, pili ka muna. Sige, ako ang napili ko si Stacy kasi yung damit niya kanina nung nag-rap siya. Inalis niya yung jacket niya. Ang ganda ng styling niya. Siya yung may touch ng white or off-white na jacket. Kaya, ang stand out. Tapos naka-black boots din siya. Tapos yung skirt niya, maikli, ang edgy pero classy. Ang kulang ng look niya, bagay na bagay sa vibe niya habang nag-rap. And yun nga, ang overall thoughts ko naman dito, ako na yung unang mag-aano sa'yo. Sige. Yung cook ad na to with Beanie from the visual outfits, lighting, hanggang sa choreography and vocals, ang linis talaga ng execution. And ang aesthetic ng video, sobrang lakas maka-vintage ko, commercial, pero may modern twist. Yung rap parts ni na Stacy at Gwen, sobrang solid. Tapos, ang orchestra nagdagdag talaga ng depth sa sound. She na-own the center sa dance break, pero lahat sila may moment to shine. Ang creative din ng mga shots, lalo na yung box concept. Super refreshing panoorin. As in, after nito gusto mo talaga uminom ng coke. Ang saya, ang solid. Ang solid talaga ng performance ng Beanie. Perfect talaga sila para sa akin. Kaya, yung bibigay ko dito, ang rating from 1 to 100, nasa 100. 100 po. Ikaw naman.
So, this is actually a Coke commercial. It's hard to believe kasi so well made and beautiful that it feels more like music video than just an ad, diba? And to top it all, there's an orchestra too. It really adds a grand. No wonder it feels so powerful and emotional for just a commercial. Honestly, I don't see it as just a commercial at all. Hindi na pa ako pinaniniwala. It feels like a real song. Yeah. It feels a real song released from Beanie. Something they proudly drop as part of their official discography. I told you, there's really no permanent role when it comes to rapping. This time, the rap part was given to Stacy and Gwen. And the dance break, it's amazing talaga. It's something that never missing from them. If I were to rate it from 1 to 100, I give it a perfect 10.